Songs that told our stories, the music that made us fall in love. This 2026, relive the golden era of OPM with the maestro himself, Ray Valera. Every lyric, every note brings back the memories we'll never forget.
Join the maestro Ray Valera as he serenades Canada with his greatest hits, songs that shaped our hearts and our stories.
Hello po, si Ray Valera po ko. Batiin ko lang mga kababayan natin dyan sa Canada. Ano siya nga pala, mga bandang February. Punta po ako dyan, ha? Salamat na lang inimbitahan niyo ko. Sabay-sabay tayo mag-Valentine's. Love you!
Kahit maputi ng buhok ko,